What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be replacing the battery. There it is. Going to be replacing the battery in the Elantra. It is 3.5 years old at this point. It's been cold lately here in Tennessee, and this morning the car took a really long time to crank up. The previous morning I could tell it was a little bit off, but this morning especially it really took a long time to crank up. So I actually am just going with a replacement battery from Hyundai. It was about 200 bucks, but the batteries at AutoZone started at like 215. So I'm just going to go OEM. And yeah, so this should be pretty straightforward. I'm going to show you guys the process. It's simple, but let's get to it. All right, here's the old battery. So all we're gonna do is we're just gonna take off this 10mm negative battery terminal first, and then for the positive, just pull this off. And I believe it's gonna be this one. It looks like it's kind of holding this together on this. Now I'm not sure why there's this other one here, so let's see which one it is. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'm gonna go with this one first. All right, guys, so the negative battery terminal is taken off and just pushed off to the side. The positive was that very first one closest to the terminal, so I just took that bolt off. That kind of allows this to spread out, and then you just kind of have to wiggle both of these off. And then it looks like there's one bolt down here that kind of holds this battery. So we're going to take that off, and then I think this should just pull out. So here's the battery hold down taken off. It's a 12mm bolt, and you can see there's this ridge, and that kind of just holds onto the ridge of the battery down there. All right, old battery's out. This is like an insulator that's around it. Since that's out, now I have my new battery here. We're gonna compare them, and here's the new battery, and you can tell the size is different. So that's pretty interesting. This is from Hyundai, OEM replacement for the Elantra N, so I don't know if they made the battery smaller, but let's get this thing in and see if it fits. See any problems here? Look at this big gap between the insulator and the battery now. So yeah, I triple checked with the dealership that this is in fact the correct battery replacement for the Elantra N. You can see it's OEM Hyundai, but it's decidedly smaller than the original battery that came on this car. Now, it's not that big of a deal, I guess. It looks a little weird, but this is just another one of those things that it makes me scratch my head. At some point, the battery size must have changed for Hyundai. They must have decided to ditch that original battery and put a different battery in it for whatever year. I don't know what year it started, but that obviously is not the same size battery as the original, and that insulator that goes around it obviously does not fit it anymore. So I know it's not that big of a deal, but it's just weird. Just weird. I don't know. Just a Hyundai thing, I guess. You know, that's just how we roll as Hyundai owners. You just get weird stuff like this. I don't know, guys. It's weird. This whole thing, just weird. So anyways, I know, again, it's not a big deal. It's a battery. You know, I'm a little anal about the way it looks, but it could be worse. So anyone that has a newer Elantra N, I'd be really curious to know, does your battery look more like this one? So the new one is about 9.5 inches long by 7 inches wide. The old one would be about 11 inches long by 7 wide. So the width is the same, it's just the length. So if you guys could do me a big favor and let me know, anyone that has a 23 and up, because I doubt they changed it in 22, which is mine, let me know how big your battery is. I'm really, really curious to know if they changed it at some point. And yeah, just curious. All right, guys, till the next video, peace out.